Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and it's got a broken display, and David is gonna fix it for us. So let's get to it. So today, David is gonna fix this smartphone by replacing the entire display. And as you can see, it's fairly brand new. The display is still working, but on the bottom, you can see that there's a small crack. It's a small one, but it can propagate and it can cause a lot of issues when you use the device. And David is well known for his masterful exploits in fixing Samsung Galaxy smartphones, because he's well known to be the Galaxy expert here in the shop. And this one is no problem for him. So this is your latest, I think at the time of recording, the latest Galaxy flagship device, the S23 Ultra. It's better because you can see the name Ultra on the name. So it's bigger and better. As we remove the back cover, we can see that there's a lot of camera lenses and camera sensors in the back. And now we can see the screws on the housing itself. So next up, we're gonna remove all these screws. There's a lot of them, so we're gonna fast forward to this very tedious task. So these electric screwdrivers are very handy to make the job faster, although you can still do it with the manual screwdrivers. And now we can see that you can easily remove parts once those screws are off the housing. We will also remove all the connectors to the main board. You can see the top one is the main board, and underneath these curved, squiggly, flat cables is the battery. And underneath the battery are the daughter boards. And the best thing about flagship models from Samsung is their ease of disassembly. You can just remove the parts easily. You can see that the main board is off, and now we are gonna detach some flex cables as well. And now we can pull the battery using this plastic pull tab. It's very sticky, so David has put a lot of effort pulling that one out. We're also gonna remove this plastic adhesive tape for the battery, because we're gonna reuse it on the replacement display. So I present to you the replacement display / housing. So when you replace the screen on your Galaxy S23 Ultra, you're also replacing the side portion of the device. So if you have a lot of scratches there, you can take this time to maybe refresh your S23 Ultra, make it look brand new from the side and from the front. All the components that we have removed from the previous damaged display will be transplanted here. So it's just the reverse process. So we're gonna put all the main board, the battery, connector, and the daughter boards. And unlike other smartphones, we can't really know for sure if this one is working unless we finish the reassembly process. So this is gonna be the first time we're gonna know if the smartphone is even working with this replacement display. We are now about to finish screwing everything, and let's turn it on. And it's turning on. Pretty nice. So if you have the same issue with your Galaxy S23 Ultra, you don't have the warranty from Samsung or Samsung stores that you visited quotes you very high rates, then you can visit Sydney CBD Repair Center. We can do the same job for less, very reasonable rates. And you can see one of our samples here is a proof that David can do no wrong. He's the Galaxy expert, and this one is fully fixed. Looks brand new already. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Side by side with the old one. And I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you again next time. You take care. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.